Welcome everyone. This is your host, John, the cryptocurrency social media educator. And today I'm going to show you how to get started with Ultimate Cycler. And of course, once you register under your referral, the first thing you need to do is make a deposit. So get familiar with the tabs, whether you're on your phone or computer. I'm on my computer for this video tutorial. Also, they have um, credits where you can actually use to promote other programs. You can use credits, and as you make your purchase with the $20 ag pack here, where you can actually surf ads. You are required to surf 10 ads per day, which they are 10 seconds each. And you can of course come here on the dashboard, hit buy your $20 pack, and you'll get some ad credits where you can actually promote other programs. And it is a RevShare opportunity, so you can actually earn passive with this program based on what's in the daily pool. It you see right here, it got a timer counting down distributes based on the time that I'm on right now in the next 10 hours, in the distributes amongst those who have actually purchased the ad pack, and whatever's in the pool that day, it has a way of dispersing the amount to each person that's actually a part of the shares. So basically, once you sign up, register, you log into your back office, you click on, let's see, wallet. Get familiar with these tabs as well. You can actually transfer to recipients as well if you got members under you. So basically, we're checking out the wallet section real quick and getting familiar with all these tabs. Of course, the wallet, that's where you actually purchase once you have your deposit. Click on deposit. It's self-explanatory. The minimum is $20, so you can deposit with Dogecoin, Tron, or Litecoin. So you'll put the amount in, you'll choose which coin. For example, you want to do Tron, you'll put an amount in, which you know you got to do 20 or more. So it's going to, if you're doing Tron, you have to play around with numbers, or you can go to Google, for example, and type in TRX, which is stand for to USD, just showing you converter. And I'm going to choose, trying to find which one give me the best. Actually, give me a calculator. I'm going to put converter calculator. Let's see. And let's see. I'm going to try Coinbase and see what they. Yes, Coinbase works good. Okay. So you can choose Coinbase to find out the USD value of $20 based on the time you do it. They saying around 63 Tron. So I'm gonna say around 64 Tron currently. So I'm gonna put 64. See, and y'all see I'm good to go. So play around with the calculator. I have this link below this video as well, the Coinbase converter, to make it easier for you. And you can always switch it, even if it's Doge. Type in Doge. See, then you find out how much. You just put the USD value, put 20. If you deposit in Doge, it actually show you about 284 if you're doing Doge. So I will have this converter and Litecoin, etc. Just say if I go to this Coinbase converter, choose Litecoin LTC, and I need to find $20 worth. So I'm gonna just put 20 in the USD section. It'll actually show you how much Litecoin you need to put in. So I would say probably 0.45 currently if you were doing it right now, right? So just play around with the converter. At the time you join and want to deposit, just play around with that Coinbase converter, and you should be able to put your amount in there. You could buy multiple packages. There's multiple 20 ad packages, right? Surf pack, for the surf ads. So if you want to do $100 worth, put 100 in, you should be able to buy 5. Please keep in mind there are fees involved with this program, so have a little extra cushion, extra Tron or Litecoin or Dogecoin to cover fees when it comes to sending out. So keep that in mind. So you can do that, and once your deposit is there, it'll show up in your purchase balance here. Then you just go down right here if you're on your wallet section and hit buy $20 packs, and you can buy multiple ones. You might have to buy one at a time. I'm not sure the process of that, but that's how you would be able to purchase and get involved with this RevShare Cycler program. Also, they have text ads, referral, self-explanatory banner ads. You can see the live network. They have that in place. I'm gonna hit back to dashboard. They also have proof of work. So they're very informative when it comes to this program. They got everything live. And of course, if you're having issues, contact support. They also have a Telegram. You could join them and do your daily 10 ads and surf them so you can earn. Okay. This finally concludes this video. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next one. And if no one referred you, you can actually join me. I will have my link below the video and also in the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching.